Hello to Miss Warren again, and today Miss Warren is explaining the capacity lesson. So capacity is measuring liquid. So let's take a look. So we have some practicing to do before we look at capacity. So capacity is measured in milliliters or litres. And usually the scale up the side of your measuring instrument, and in today's case it's a jug, the scale up the side is usually in 2s, 5s or 10s. So it'll be good today to start by practicing our 2s, 5s and 10s. So starting from 0, counting in 10s, all the way up to 100. You can be counting along at home. And then practicing our 5s, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. And then practicing our 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and so on. So give those a practice before you start, and then you'll have a look at the scale up the side of the jug or the measuring instrument you have. And as Miss Horn said already, it's likely that the increments, the jumps, will be 2s, 5s or 10s. So all you have to do is figure out what the scale is before you know how much liquid is in the jug. So let's have a look. Is this scale counting in 10s? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Nope, because that is not 50. But this one is. So this one must be counting in 10s. And you can put a little note there to remind you. Let's try 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's not 25. So let's try 2s. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That works. So this one is counting in 2s. Let's have a look here. Is it 5s? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. It is. This scale is counting in 5s. And then here, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Nope. 5s, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Nope. 10s, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this scale is counting in 10s. Now, all of the numbers along the side of the scale might not be marked. So if they're not, you just need to use what you already know. So if the water came up to here, we know that this scale is counting in 2s. So we've got to 10, 2 more, 10, 12. So here we have, and if we're measuring liquid, it's milliliters. And Miss Warren has a top tip to remember that. If it's liquid, it usually has a "l" in it. So it could be liters or it could be milliliters, ml. Moving on. So the red task, all of the numbers on the scale are there. So all you have to do is look carefully as to where the water comes to and what number it reaches. So we write here 9 milliliters. And then here in orange, we need to figure out the scale. So is it counting in twos? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. So we just carry on counting in twos. 12, 14, 16, 18. So we have 18 millilitres here. Breathe. It's without the numbers along the scale. So is it fives? Can't be twos because we've got 50 quickly, but just double check anyway. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nope. Fives, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Nope, must be tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So the water line reached 70, and don't forget the millilitres there. And then this one, is it twos? 0, 2, 4. Nope. Is it tens? 0, 10, 20. Nope. Must be fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 millilitres. And then if you are able to, and you reach purple and you give it a go, then I can't show you exactly how to do this because this is your exact task. But what I can do is give you a top tip, okay? Miss Horne's top tip is to label the bottles first. So let's have a look at what they are counting in. We've got 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. The first bottle is counting in fives and it has 20 millilitres in it. And then you'd label them all. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to give the game away. So then, once you've labelled them all, have a read of the problem. So, Carl isn't keen on fruit, so he makes the smallest drink possible. That's mixing 3 flavours to make the smallest drink possible. So what might you need to do to make the smallest drink? I wonder. When you do it, please write it out as a number sentence. So you'll be adding 3 of the values together. So it will be something, add something, add something equals, and whatever the answer is, okay? So I want it written as a number sentence, please, my darlings. Something, add something equals. And you'll be writing them on the line here. Okay, so again, if you get stuck, just email in. We're here to help. We'll be doing this exact job at school, so we'll be doing it alongside you, okay? Take care, everyone.